So hello, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Goodness. If you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, howdy, how. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a double chin hack that I found on TikTok. So this video was brought to me by Nikki Tutorial. I don't know if you guys know her, but she does makeup on YouTube. But this video I found it on her TikTok page. So this is the video, guys. So it's supposed to give you Zendaya kind of jawline if you have double chin. So Nikki has double chin, and in a way I have double chin also. So I'm going to try this hack because I've seen a lot of contour hacks for double chin and none of them seem to work for me. So let's see if this is going to work. So according to the video, all she used was her contour, then highlights, then blending brushes, then beauty sponges. So let's see if we can create the same look like she did, and I'm really hoping this works, because if it does not work, I'm going to sue everybody that's tried this hack on TikTok. So with that, let's get right into the video. Okay, so for this I'm going to be using my palette. I would have used my powder palette, but that one gives this bronzer look. That's what I used on my cheekbone, so it gives more of this bronzer look than actual contour. So I'm just like dipping my very tiny brush into my contour. This is it here, and it's messy, but that's the life we choose. So I'm supposed to like draw a line. Yeah, so all the hacks I've been seeing, they normally just draw this line here and that's it, then blend it, then they'll go about that day, but it never seemed to work. But it used to work for them, so I used to get confused. Is my double chin one of a kind, or I'm just too black for this to work? So let me just make it a stick, because she's making use of a contour stick and me, I don't have contour stick, so I gotta use what I have. Okay. I just swallowed, like I'm actually nervous. Okay, let me just patch this up a bit and make it longer to where my jaw is. Yeah, so it has to work. So I think you guys can see it now. Yeah, so this is how it is. I'm trying to make it a little bit more pigmented. So after that, I'm going to blend it with this tiny beauty sponge. I'm going to just blend it. Okay, so now that that is blended, see guys, I have blended the life out of it. So now that that is blended, I'm going to go next onto my translucent powder. So normally, yeah, I've not, like, this is the game changer in the whole hack. So I'm taking a bit of my powder, and she said we should put it on top here and underneath. Hey God, this has to work. And underneath here. So okay, this is it. This is what we're having. Next, I'm going to blend it. I don't know, I feel like this brush is too fluffy. Okay, so I've gotten my other much more precise brush. So okay. It's giving something, but I don't know. Let me see if I can apply more powder, if it's going to define it, because from what I'm seeing here, it's like you're going to form your jawline yourself. Okay, so I can still see a bit of my contour here, so I have to just close it up and okay. So from what I'm saying, yeah, the dark part should just be where your contour was. Okay, so this dark part should be the only line where your contour should be. So probably I did apply much powder. Hey. Okay. So I'm seeing it. I'm seeing something, and I'm liking what I'm seeing, guys. You guys see, and see this. This is one that's done. This is the one that is not done. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I feel like I can still work with this. Let me just form this to connect down there. Yes. So you guys, this is it. So I have learned a trick. So what you should do when you're doing it, apply little contour, because the contour is what's supposed to actually form the jaw. So try to see where your chin is, where your jaw is, where your chin is, and connect it. Okay, so you see how mine is connecting from like here, but I think I didn't do it properly, so that's it. So remember, this is where your contour is. Usually this is where you highlight, so that highlighting should just go down. Okay, let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So normally after doing your contour, yeah, we normally cut it across this side to give it a definite shape. So it's from this cutting, yeah, your powder should just go down. Yeah, it should just go down, so there'll just be one line that is showing there. Okay, let me just show you guys. So once you dust this off, yeah, so you can see, so this is the powder, so this is the powder, this is the contour, and this is the powder. So that is how it works. Okay, I don't know if it works, so, or if my mirrors are bad, because I don't know how two mirrors can be lying, but I'm seeing a new jaw, but it can still be worked upon. So let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if you tried it out, if it worked for you, or if it did not work for you. I don't know. I have to just see if this lasts, but I think I'm having issues with this part here, because it's making it look like it's fake. Oh, so guys, with that, we have come to the end of this trial. I think I'm going to start a series trying ridiculous things I see on the internet. So this is going to be the first of its kind. I don't know. I think this worked a bit. Probably if I reduce the volume, the quantity of my contour, it will be much more realistic than what we are seeing right now. But this is how it is, guys. This is the former one, and this is how we are looking like right now. I know it's not giving the entire ball, at least it's not giving my double chin, so I can play with this for a while, and if I have pulled it off, I'll let you guys know. So do not forget to like this video if you learned something new. Give it thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your bell notification, so whenever I put out a video next time, you'll be the first person to get notified. So with that, next time, guys.